Assalamualaikum. Today I'm gonna show you a basic recipe of smoothie. You can make any smoothie with this recipe. So at first I'm gonna show you how I make strawberry smoothie. So here I have a mixer and some frozen strawberries. Now I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoon of condensed milk. These strawberries are sour, so I had to use sugar. You can use honey instead. Now I am adding 1 cup of milk and 3 ice cubes. So I am blending in, and that's it. My strawberry smoothie is ready to serve. So the main thing is here you have to use frozen fruit and cold milk, and make sure you get a thick consistency. So now I'm gonna make blueberry smoothie with this same recipe. I'm adding some frozen blueberry and some almonds. Blueberry don't give such a thick consistency, so I had to use almonds. Now I'm adding sugar and condensed milk. Ice cubes, and lastly 1 cup of milk. So again blending in. You can see the basic recipe is to add milk, condensed milk and sugar, and you can use any kind of fruit you like in your smoothie. So blueberry smoothie is ready. Now move on to the next one. For making kiwi smoothie, you have to freeze kiwis, and you should use very ripe and soft kiwis. Kiwi seeds are kinda bitter in taste, so if you don't like them, you can avoid the seeds. So again I am using sugar, condensed milk, ice cubes and milk, and then I'm gonna blend everything in. Make sure your fruits are frozen and the milk is really cold. You can use mint leaves if you want. So that's it. Kiwi smoothie is ready. You can make those smoothies with any kind of fruit which is blendable. So moving on to the next one. So I'm gonna make banana smoothie. Here I have some frozen bananas. You should take really ripe and soft bananas and freeze them. And then I'm adding sugar, condensed milk, ice cubes and milk, and also adding 1 tablespoon of hazelnut spread. Chocolate spread or hazelnut spread is really goes well with banana. You can avoid it if you don't like. Ripe bananas are really very sweet, so I used less sugar. So blending in, and it's ready to serve. So moving on to the last one, blackberry smoothie. In this smoothie, actually cantaloupe and watermelon or pineapple, mango, these fruits are really goes well. So I'm adding frozen blackberries, sugar, condensed milk, cold milk, some ice cubes, and I'm gonna blending it in. You can even mix all those berries together to make a mixed berry smoothie. So I'm serving it. So if you like my smoothie recipe, then don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next one. Allah Hafiz.